In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PageFly on Shopify. PageFly is a powerful page builder that lets you design high-converting landing pages, product pages, and more, right inside your Shopify admin. I'll guide you through getting to PageFly from your dashboard and confirming that it's enabled, so you're ready to build with confidence. Start by opening your Shopify admin and landing on your store's home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct store and that your account has permission to access apps. If you manage multiple stores or staff roles, a quick check here can save you time later. Next, use the global search in your Shopify admin. You'll find it at the top of the page, on mobile. Look for the magnifying glass icon. Click into that search field so you can quickly jump to the app rather than digging through menus. This search scans your entire admin, orders, products, customers, and, importantly for us, apps. Type PageFly into the search bar. Spell it as one word, all lowercase, for the most accurate results. As you type, Shopify will suggest matches. Under the Apps section of the results, you should see PageFly appear. If you don't, double-check the spelling or clear any filters you might have applied. If PageFly still doesn't show up, it may not be installed on this store, or your account may not have access to apps. In that case, check with your store owner or admin. Select PageFly from the search results to open the app inside your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the app's Preferences or Settings area. Here, look for the option that indicates the app is enabled. This may appear as a toggle, a status label, or an enabled indicator for the integration. Ensure it's turned on so PageFly can function properly across your store. If you see any prompts about permissions or theme access, review them carefully and confirm they align with your workflow and theme setup. A quick tip: after enabling, give your admin a brief refresh to make sure the status updates everywhere. If you're working in a browser with strict extensions or blockers, consider temporarily disabling them for your Shopify admin to avoid interference. With PageFly enabled, you're all set to design and manage your pages directly from the app within Shopify. From here, you can confidently explore templates, adjust layouts, and fine-tune content knowing the integration is active. If something doesn't look right, revisit the app's settings to verify the status and make sure your account permissions are up to date. That's it. You've navigated to PageFly through Shopify search and confirmed the app is enabled. You're ready to start creating with PageFly.